What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a really quick review of the Shower Meteor rain light here. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these lights. I'm also about to take, in a second here, show you them in action. And I'll basically tell you everything you need to know about them, including one thing you should know before buying. So before I dive into everything you need to know about them, let me show you them outside. We already have some up in a tree, so I'll show you that first. All right, guys, so these are what the lights actually look like. They look very bluish in the video here. They're more whitish. They're a whitish blue, if you will. But we found a nice way. We thought that this nicely complemented. We do a lot for our Christmas decor, as you can see, and we thought it complemented it pretty well. All right, guys, so we still have to add these to the tree. Basically, we needed some more, but I figured I'd show you them in action. But really quick here. So what do you need to know about these? So first off, they are LED. You can tell how they are LED, and obviously they're kind of chasing lights. So it starts at the top, goes all the way to the bottom. We've gotten, I think it's about 8 or 9 packs so far, and have not had any issues with them working, or had any issues with them not working, I should say. They've all been flawless. They've all worked really, really well. Now, in terms of making them work, super easy to do. Basically, you just have this right here, and you can, unscrew this and plug that back in. You can also extend this to multiple strings. So what you saw on the tree there, that was us extending it to multiple strings. I'm actually not sure how many strings you can put into each other. As of right now, we have 4 connected, and they're still doing fine. So I don't know the answer to that question. I couldn't find the answer to that question, but 4 is quite a bit, and it seems to be working fine. So speaking of connecting these, if you're wondering how long this is about 23 feet total, and each of these comes with 8 of these Meteor lights, if you will. So, plan accordingly, but that's kind of the length that you're looking at. In terms of connecting, you should also know, so this is a male side connector right here, and this is a female side connector. So it makes it really easy to actually connect these together. That's not a problem. At one point, these weren't all that clear, the connectors, but they have adjusted that to make it really easy to understand what connects to what. And the last thing to know is that these are waterproof, dustproof, etc. We've had the ones that you saw outside for quite some time. So they do work really well. So yeah, in terms of the only thing to consider, just make sure that you know the length that you're working with and how long each of these are. Basically, like I said, we had to buy some more ourselves because we thought they were a little bit longer than they were. They are not. So just plan accordingly. That's probably more our fault than anything else. But other than that, guys, if you're considering getting these, definitely do recommend them. Really cool, look really good with Christmas lights, but you can use them in a lot of different situations. So hope that you enjoyed the review. And if you're considering getting them, we definitely recommend.